Politics of the Southeast. Yes, we keep saying that Hausa Fulani our problem. Is not true. Fulani are never the problem of the Southeast. Our politicians are. We all voted Mr. P2B because he is a competent candidate. But remember, APC held primaries which Igbos were contesting. PDP also held primaries which Southeast were also contesting. And when we look at the results, we found out that when APC contested, we have many people from the Southeast contesting. Remember, when Dave Umahi made a broadcast about the primaries of APC, he said, yes, I am contesting, and other Igbo sons are contesting. I want the votes of Igbos to count. If we are 5 in numbers from the Southeast as a delegate voting, we should vote our men. Dave Umahi categorically said, I don't want you to vote for me as an Igbo or as the one contesting, but vote any candidate of Igbo of your choice. After the election, if our votes are counted and the number of votes that goes to the Southeast and the number of delegates that came from the Southeast, we have sent a message. And the Igbos hear him very clear. What happened? Anambra, Imo, Abia, and Enugu made business with their votes. They voted for both Amechi and Tinubu. Tinubu won 2 states in the Southeast, and Amechi won 2 states in the Southeast. And Dave Umahi won 1 state in the Southeast, which is Ebonyi State. Who is now the enemy of the Southeast? The votes Dave Umahi secured were votes from the delegates from Ebonyi State. And no delegate from Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Abia voted for Dave Umahi or any other candidate contesting from the Southeast. And when it comes to PDP presidential primary, we have men contesting from the Southeast. Anyim Pius Anyim was also contesting. How was the outcome? The Southeast also betrayed themselves. Who are those states? Anambra State, Imo State, Abia State, and Enugu State betrayed the entire Southeast. They also share the votes between Wike and Atiku in PDP presidential primary against their own sons. The only state Pius Anyim won in the Southeast was Ebonyi State. How did he win Ebonyi State? He won Ebonyi State by the vote of the candidate from Ebonyi State. The delegate from Ebonyi State voted for him Who are the enemies of the Southeast? We are the enemies of ourselves. I don't blame Hausa, Fulani, or Yorubas in the failure of the Southeast in politics. We have kept ourselves underdeveloped and unprogressive in politics. We keep calling Dave Umahi name that he's partnering with Fulani. He is working for Fulani. He's working for Yorubas. What else did you want Dave Umahi to do? If we couldn't vote for him, we couldn't vote for any candidate from the Southeast in the presidential primaries, both the APC and the PDP. What else did you want him to do? For instance, the Southeast Governors Forum, which Dave Umahi was the chairman, how did he go? Throughout the reign of Rochas Okrocha in Imo State, he didn't attend Southeast Governors Forum more than 2 times. During the reign of Obiano did not attend Southeast Governors Forum more than 1 time. And the worst, he don't even send delegates to represent Anambra. Abia State do not attend Southeast Governors Forum more than 2 times. And most at times, they don't have candidates representing them. The Southeast Governors Forum is only Dave Umahi and Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State. Why Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi is there is because the meeting is always held in Enugu State. If not, you may not see him. Is Dave Umahi too small? Is Ebonyi State too small to govern? Because it is zone by zone. It is zone by zone. With zone state by state, it was the turn of the Ebonyi State and it was given to them. Why is it that other governors can't even unite? But the surprising thing is that the 19 northern states all come together. Despite those saying they are middle belt, they are this, they are this. When it comes to the interests of the North, both of them come together and they discuss the interests of the North, not minding whether you are a middle belt, you are not central, you are not east, you are not west, all that. But here, 5 states can't even held a united meeting. Other regions are doing it. Others have 6 states, 6 governors. Both of them come together to discuss. But those with just 5 states can't even come together. And yet, we claim Yoruba have killed us and Fulani have dealt with us. Fulani are the problem. My brothers, we are the problem of ourselves, not Fulani. We are the problem of ourselves. Even the agitation that is going on in the Southeast, we will hardly get it because we are not united. All we need in the Southeast is love, unity, and progress, and nothing more than that. May God grant us grace to know it and do it perfectly in Jesus' name.